Hello, today's is entitled, Don't Fix It. A man owned a dilapidated house. One day, a rich man came to him, and to his astonishment, offered to buy the house with the land around it. The price was attractive, so the good man decided to accept the offer, and even decided to try and repair what could be repaired. Without delay, he began working to shore up the rickety stairs, put some tiles back on the roof, adjust the doors and windows, and replace the broken glass. But as soon as the deed was signed and the price paid, the new owner tore down the house. It was the site he was interested in, for a new building. Isn't this how God works? He wants to rebuild our lives and has no need for our repairs. He is not interested in anything that testifies to our past miseries. Jesus Christ, by his death on the cross, redeems us with all our past to erase everything permanently, failures, disappointments, memories, and all the deeds of which we are ashamed. Let us not try to make our old personality more presentable. Let us not try to improve ourselves in the eyes of God, we will never succeed on our own. Let us surrender our existence to Him, give Him the keys to our old house without hiding anything from Him. And let Him rebuild our life according to His plans so that it becomes a dwelling worthy of the one who wants to live in it. And I will give you a new heart, and a new spirit I will put within you. And I will remove the heart of stone from your flesh and give you a heart of flesh. Ezekiel 36 verse 26. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away, behold, the new has come. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 17.
Retrouvez Un jour une histoire sur www.365histoire.com.